So, good day everyone. Um, the top 10 that I choose in the Power Global Cities is London. London is the number one that I choose because it is a ranked one in 2024 GPCI, where the current that maintained its top position with an increased overall score. So it secured the number one spot in both cultural interaction and accessibility functions, which are considered its strength. Yes, and London's is a global power city due to its major cultural and transportation center. It is a home to a world-class financial sector, hosts numerous international um, um, organizations, and acts as a hub for global trade and media and cultural support by a diverse population and excellence transportation infrastructure. So some of the thing that London is the number one um, in the top 10 in the 10 power global cities because of the economic strength. So the economic strength of London is the finance that leading for international finance, holding or handling a large portion of global currency trade and housing major stocks, exchanges, and commodity markets. So the second one is the headquarters in economic strength. It hosts more Europeans headquarters for a major global companies that any other cities, making it critical hub for international business. And the third one in economic strength is the trade. So the trade in London is the city or is the major players in the world trade, influencing the movement of goods and services globally. So the second one is cultural and social influence. So the cultural and social influence in London is the multicultural culturalism. So London is a global hub for many nationalities and cultures, which are fosters a vibrant and cosmopolitan atmosphere. So the second one in cultural and social influence is the talent attraction. So the talent attraction in London is the city's dynamic cultures or cultural environment attracted global talent, contribution to its economic and creative strength. And the third one is the third one in the things that London is the number one or rank one in the 10 power global cities is the strategic and political importance. So the political center is the influential, holding a permanent seat on the UN Council or United Nations Council, and being home to a major international organizations. The second one is the connected or global connectivity. Each strategic location with English is a global language, and its time zone bridging North America and Asia make it highly connected. So the last one is the infrastructure and accessibility. So transportation, London's connectivity, it's supported um, by its 6 airports, extensive public transport networks, and status as a major global port for large volume. And the accessibility of London is the cities provides excellent access to infrastructure, policy makers, and world-class universities, creating an ecosystem that supports growth. And that's all. Thank you po.